My name's Ryan Higgins. I work in construction. I do heating and ventilation. Just trying to gather as much information as I can. Really, it's a lot to take in, but it's trying to work out what I can utilise the best. Really, out of this.
And how have you found it? What's the energy in the room been like?
The energy is good, but it's quite intimidating because there is a lot of people that know what they're doing, whereas I don't know nothing. So
It's like good though to get around people that are like know what they're doing and you can talk to them and like know.
yeah, I have met a few people here, and they've already done some deals before they come to the course. So it's just trying to get some information or trying to get them as a network or something, so I can utilise their information as well as my own.
And have you enjoyed it? Have you enjoyed this week?
Yeah, I'm enjoying myself. Yeah, it's very tiring,
Yeah, yeah.
very tiring, but I'm just looking at the positives from it, really.